Look at your mama. Look at your mama. Landry, look at your mama. Did you tear up my pillow, Pat? Yeah. Did you do that? Look at me. Landry, look at me. Did you tear up my pillow, Pat? You look very, very guilty. Yeah, it's over there too. Look at me. Landry? You don't tear up Mama's stuff. No, he won't look Mama in the eye because he knows that he tore up the pink bunny. He tore up the pink bunny that Mama sleeps with every night. Did you tear up my pink bunny? Huh? Landry? Look at me. I can come over here. Did you tear up my pink bunny? Oh, now you're going to look the other way. Really? You need to say you're sorry. Are you sorry? Are you sorry? That doesn't look like a face that's sorry. That looks like a face that's guilty. 5 minutes I was in the bathroom.
That was a pig.
And he tore up the pink bunny.
No, it's a bunny. I thought it was a pig.
Landry, look at me. Landry, look at me. Mama forgives you because she loves you. Mama some sugars. Give Mama some sugars.
That punch me, has touched me as a cat litter.